Hello and welcome to today's graphic design tip of the day. For today's tip, we're going into Adobe Illustrator and Gravit Designer to learn how to use the basics of the type tool. The type tool is located in Illustrator on the left-hand side on the toolbar. If I click on that T, I can click once anywhere on my screen and start typing. You're non-restricted to any shape as you use the type tool with a single click, so that's recommended for most uses. If you do want to create an actual shape where the text is going to go inside of, maybe you have a specific area in your design where you want the text to be included, you just drag that text box out instead. If I want my text to go in a specific pattern, like on this line, all you need to do is grab your pen or pencil tool and draw a line first. And grab your type tool, click once on that line anywhere, and you can start typing right on top of that path. The other option too in Illustrator that Gravit Designer doesn't have is if you draw a shape or you use one of the shape tools, you can use the type tool and click inside of that shape to fill the shape with text. And the last thing that I'm going to show you here is to align your text. So if I have a shape or whatever you're trying to align it with, maybe two pieces of text, and I want them both to start at the same point, I can grab both of them. And on my toolbar, under my properties menu, you can see the different align options. So if I want them both to start at that same point there, you can see that the first one here has a line going up and down, a vertical line, with the two boxes pushed to the left-hand side. If you click on that horizontal alignment button, you can see that it pushes it over to start those at the same point. If you want to ever adjust anything with your text, it's really easy, just like Microsoft Word. All of the different fonts are here. You can also download fonts for free. A really great website is dafont.com. All you need to do is download any of those fonts, open the folder that they come in, and double click. Your computer should automatically give you that option to install it. It'll pop up right in all of your programs, so Illustrator will get it automatically. You can change it to the different font families of that font that comes in, the size of the font, your kerning, your line spacing, your tracking, all of that is right here if you want to make any adjustments for your text. In Gravit Designer, we have a lot of the same options, and this is the free program, so if I use my type tool and click once, again, I can start typing. If I want to create a text box, I can do it the same way, just drag out that text box. It doesn't automatically fill it with text, but it does give you those restraints to be able to type inside of that specific area. If I wanted to type on a line, I have my line drawn again, either the pen or the freehand pencil tool would work for that. Just click once with the type tool and I can type right on the line. And if I do want to align my text here, if I select both my text and my shape, just by dragging over the top of them, I can go to Modify, Align, and you see all your alignment options again. So align left. And if I do want to change anything with the font, just like Illustrator on the right-hand side, you do have all the font options here that you can go to, as well as a lot of different things that you can change about that specific font, whether it's the kerning, the tracking, or whatnot. So it's all right here on the right-hand side. The only problem is you do need a pro account to be able to download fonts and install them in here. So if you were going to buy that, you might as well have the Illustrator program, but it has everything else that you can do, and it does have a lot of fonts automatically installed. So I hope you enjoyed today's graphic design tip of the day.